All right, y'all. It is about that time. I know y'all see it. It is potato time. We got our basket. We got our potatoes. We about to dig these up. You see the leaves are dying, turning yellow to let you know that the plant is dying off. The potatoes are getting ready to harvest. A lot of yellow and brown. So you got potatoes poking out. So we about to go ahead and dig them on up. Let's see. We got some big potatoes. We got some small ones. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got some nice little small ones. It's okay. Nice little pretty ones. Oh, that's a nice size there. Okay. Yeah, you just put that to the side. Yeah, because let's get the digging.
Let me see if anything else down here. Oh, wow.
What do you want?
Are doing the mango?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, got us one right there.
Dude, that was even higher.
Ooh, got us a nice giant one.
Oh, you're putting potatoes in my bag.
All right, got us a nice old giant potato.
Yeah.
Oh man, I thought I would have had
So I can get
more.
I'm trying to get use their mangoes to get the other, like the yellow mangoes. So don't they allow this? Yeah, I asked her, and she said yes. I need one.
Oh wow, I didn't get any more deeper.
I can reach those. Cleo, get that one. You can reach that one.
Okay, got us some nice little small ones.
If we planted it like deeper.
Yeah. These look good, no?
Yeah.
Got us some nice little small ones. And we started from...
Have to do it?
All right, well, at least right here, we got space to put something else here because I didn't really too much care for having the potatoes here.
Yeah.
Because we need potatoes in their own little bucket.
Yeah,
Nice,
that's-
deep
yeah.
plant. But this was just a trial just to see what it looked like. We got plenty of space now to put whatever we want to put here. Put some extra stuff, and we got a lot of dirt now we can play with. Yeah, it's still potatoes in there, so yeah.
Mommy.
At least with those, we don't really have to cut them up. We just throw them in the pot and boil them on up.
Oh man, I was hoping for more potatoes, but I guess I didn't plant it deep enough, and I think that's where I messed up. You know?
No, it just wasn't it's not the right pot to do that. It's just a trial run. So we didn't have that many, but you see we only had a little spot. So this is pretty good for that little spot. We got two giant ones. Well, I'm exaggerating, but they two nice size though. Well, one big one, and then you got two nice size right there. You got a whole bunch of small ones. And then we got all this space now. Now we can put something else here. All right, y'all, we gonna wash these up, put them in the pot, see what they taste like.